All right, I'm here with Michael, Tipsy. We're gonna see what havoc we can wreak today. As soon as I get ready, they're waiting on me, so. So, we're going to try to avoid stoplights. These stoplights are ridiculous. And as you guys know, there's nothing worse than sitting at a stoplight and your bike doesn't trigger it. I've heard there's gizmos you can put on the bottom of your bike, like some big magnets or something that trigger it. I don't really want a big ass magnet on the bottom of my bike. And I don't know that they work. If I had to guess, I would say probably not, but sorry, Michael, I gotta do it. Tires a little bit. Missed it. God damn it. We got to whip a Yuri back around. All right, so once again, in fashion, I took a wrong turn. Never fails. It's good. I just didn't want to stop. I'm gonna go take this turn slow. It's gonna drive Michael nuts. That guy right there has been riding for about 2 months, and he drives the piss out of that. How long? Leave a comment below, and I'll let you know when it happens, because it's going to happen. How long until he blows that thing up? It's a 250. In case you're wondering. I'll say, man, if that bike makes it to January, I'll be amazed. '94. It is absolutely gorgeous out right now. It's supposed to high about 82. It's probably 76 right now. A far cry from you guys to watch my Monday video of freezing during that Columbia, Illinois ride. I'm telling you, I was cold for 2 days. I didn't even want to open the refrigerator. That is the Midwest for you. So these guys said they ate already at Quick Trip, which, okay. Is he gonna stop? It's another reason I never lead. For you kids watching, always stop at red lights. It's looking a little dark. Not supposed to rain till like 2 a.m. But lately, weather has not been my friend. I was tucking in my shirt. cannot believe it's raining right now. See, there you go. You want to know weather in St. Louis? Freezing on Monday, 82 and clear on Thursday at 11 a.m. and raining at, it's about 1. Oh, I say. It's a government conspiracy. They send up rain clouds to keep motorcycles off the road. You guys in your pandemics and stuff, that ain't nothing. Let them give us the flu. That happens. But they're trying to keep our motorcycles off the road. If you want a conspiracy to get behind, that's the one you should get behind. That and Elvis is still alive, but we don't got enough time on this this trip to discuss that. Save that for another time. I might even take a trip out to Graceland and explain to you why Elvis is still alive. Matter of fact, some of you guys right now are thinking, man, he lunatic rides this dude thinks Elvis is alive. I'll tell you this, I might have partied with him a couple weeks ago. There might be footage somewhere. I'm not saying there is, I'm not saying there isn't. I'm just saying it's possible. Tell you what, we get to 1,000 subscribers and I will release footage of me partying with Elvis. You have my word. I cannot believe it's raining. Man, I feel like I got caught in the rain a couple weeks ago and I feel like I just now dried out. Well, I think we beat the rain out. So it seems pretty dry here. Oh, it's still raining. Oh, shit. That or we're right on the tip of it trying to outrun it. Motherfuckers.
Well, I still, I was like that.
See, this is a conspiracy. They don't want motorcyclists here, so they don't put no, they don't fill with premium. They want you to think it's broke or they're out, but they ain't refilling. All right, well, oh, it's slick as shit already in this lot. Between the, oh my God. I don't know that we're gonna beat that. We're not gonna beat this out. We're f***ed. Hey! You want to try to sit this out?
It will be a long time.
All right.
Not fun.
All right. Look at that. You look up, clear skies. Like, we're literally, this is such bullshit. Which way? he's going in. I can't see out my visor right now. Oh, there we go. I think we're out of it. All right. Maybe. Drive this baby off. As you can see, we turned around. We're dry now. I don't know if my camera is. Probably not. Just trying to shake it, get some water off it if there's any on there. But behind us is a storm, and it's coming this way, so it's going to be an early day. Guess I'll go home and do some dad stuff. God. Hey, I'm gonna head home at Manchester. That wind is ridiculous.
What?
That wind is ridiculous.
How do you think I'm doing?
I know. I don't know if I'm recording still, but if I am, those drops are getting bigger. Now we went around it, now I got to go through it to get back to my house. Just as I started to get dried off. Gas lights on.
Oh,
on, Jixer. Get us to the petrol station. Oh my, don't tell me there's hail. Hi. Oh, those are big drops. I don't even know what happened to my music. No caller ID. Somebody's calling me. One of you guys calling me already trying to get that Elvis footage? I have to get to 1,000 subscribers. And at this rate, I think I'm at 20. I love all 20 of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I do look and I do see. And even if I don't recognize the name, I look and check out, try to see if I can figure out who it is. So I do appreciate it tremendously. Oh my God, that hurts. Oh, that hurts. Oh, please do not run out of gas right here. Oh, my Lord. Mommy. My mom's passed away, so if I say that, she's probably the one who wants me off my bike, so she's up there doing this. That's the she would do. I told you guys that. Now nobody's going to want to ride with me. Oh my God, those are like pellets. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Do not run out of gas. Oh man, I'm so fucked. Oh, that's hail. Oh, that's hail. Oh, oh, I gotta pull over. Oh, shit. Oh, it's so cold now. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, yeah, we're running that one. Oh man, I got... Where are they going? I don't know where they're going. They're nuts. But I do got to pull over somewhere. This is way too much. I'm about to run out of gas, and oh my God, I do not know where all this came from. I'm telling you, this came down so hard. I can't even see. I got to pull my visor up. I don't even think I'm going to the gas station. I doubt I'm recording, but I'm headed straight to the homestead. I mean, it's literally flash flood. I'm driving. It's not just rain. It came down so fast and so hard. I've gone through like spots that are like 12 inches of water. I'm like, I don't even want to get gas. I need to severely, and I'm going to pass. I'm going to have to get gas because I don't know if I'm going to have enough to make it from my house back to the gas station. I hate the rain. dreadful fucking... I'm gonna have to edit a lot of this out. Sorry, I curse a lot. I literally cannot even see out my visor, and it's like bullets